That awful burning feeling in your chest? That bitter taste in the back of your throat? What if I told you that you don't have to live like that anymore? Today, I'm going to reveal 7 amazing natural remedies that can help soothe acid reflux and GERD without the side effects of prescription meds. You won't believe how simple and powerful these remedies can be. So stay with me, because relief might just be a few sips or bites away. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel where your health is always our top priority. Here, we believe that nature holds the secrets to a healthier, stronger, and happier you. If you're passionate about natural healing and living life to the fullest, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bells so you never miss a simple tip that could transform your life. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's take a deeper look at what's really happening inside your body. Acid reflux occurs when the valve between your stomach and your esophagus, called the lower esophageal sphincter, doesn't close properly. This allows stomach acid to sneak back up into your esophagus, causing that uncomfortable burning sensation we all know as heartburn. GERD, or gastroesophageal reflux disease, is the more severe, chronic version where reflux happens repeatedly and can lead to serious damage to your esophagus over time. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyles are a big part of the problem. Fast food, overeating, constant stress, poor sleep habits, and even certain medications weaken that valve and disrupt the delicate balance in your gut. Many people turn to antacids, proton pump inhibitors, and H2 blockers, which offer temporary relief but often just mask the symptoms without addressing the root cause. Worse, over time, these medications can cause nutrient deficiencies, weakened bones, gut imbalances, and even kidney problems. The good news is that your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you support it the right way. And that's exactly what these natural remedies are designed to do. Before we go any further, please remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, especially if you are already on medications or have a serious health condition. Let's kick it off with aloe vera juice. Most people know aloe vera as the miracle plant for sunburns, but it's just as amazing for your digestive system. Drinking a small amount, about a quarter cup, of pure, food-grade aloe vera juice before meals can soothe and coat your esophagus and stomach lining. It reduces inflammation, speeds up healing, and promotes better digestion. Just make sure you choose a purified and decolorized version to avoid any unwanted laxative effects. Next up is slippery elm, an ancient herbal remedy that's a true natural protector. When mixed with water, slippery elm transforms into a soothing gel that coats your throat and stomach, protecting them from acid irritation. You can find it in teas, powders, or lozenges. Sipping on slippery elm tea about 30 minutes before meals can create a barrier between your tissues and that harsh stomach acid. Surprisingly, apple cider vinegar also makes the list. Most people think acid reflux is caused by too much stomach acid, but in many cases, it's actually too little acid that's the real problem. When your stomach doesn't have enough acid, food can sit and ferment, creating gas and pressure that pushes acid upward. Taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of warm water before meals can help balance your stomach's pH and improve digestion. You can even add a little raw honey to make it easier to sip and even more healing. Another incredible natural solution is licorice root, specifically DGL, or deglycyrrhizonated licorice. This form of licorice root supports the body's natural mucus production, creating a stronger, healthier lining in your esophagus and stomach. Chewing 1 or 2 DGL tablets about 15 to 20 minutes before meals helps protect your body from acid damage, and bonus, they actually taste pretty good too. If you're looking for quick relief, baking soda can come to the rescue. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water can immediately neutralize stomach acid and ease burning. But a word of caution, While baking soda is excellent for emergencies, it's not a long-term solution. Overusing it can upset your body's electrolyte balance, so use it sparingly when you really need fast relief. Chamomile tea is another fantastic remedy that's often overlooked. More than just a calming bedtime drink, chamomile has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that relax your digestive muscles and ease acid reflux symptoms. Chronic stress tightens your muscles and worsens reflux, so enjoying a warm cup of chamomile tea about an hour before bedtime can calm both your mind and your digestive system, setting you up for a good night's sleep. And finally, one of the easiest changes you can make starting today is to eat smaller, smarter meals. When you eat large meals, your stomach expands and increases pressure against your esophageal valve, making reflux more likely. By eating smaller portions more frequently throughout the day and avoiding heavy meals late at night, you can greatly reduce your symptoms. Aim to finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before lying down. And if nighttime reflux still sneaks up on you, sleeping with your upper body elevated can help keep stomach acid where it belongs, in your stomach. And there you have it, 7 simple but powerful ways to naturally fight acid reflux and GERD, starting today. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that add up to big transformations over time. Healing your gut doesn't have to mean endless medications. Sometimes, it starts with choosing the right foods, the right habits, and the healing gifts nature has provided for us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really supports the channel and lets us know you want more content just like this. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these remedies, or if you have another natural remedy that's worked wonders for you. We love hearing your stories. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications, because we've got so many more natural healing tips, remedies, and easy health hacks coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.